guys, it's me again. Today I want to talk about something that is really dear to my heart. And I was looking at, oh my God, like half of the year is almost over, right? And so I always have my own little personal goals of like how many like success stories I have, or how can I be of more impact, or, how can I really, at the end of the day, I want more successes. Like, I think any coach or anybody that's offering a program or providing a service, they want more testimonials, right? And so I've been working on this for a while, and I was like, why am I racking my brain about this? Like, I literally should be putting a video up and asking my community or people that come across my channel to ask them, like, how can I help you? Like, so this video is really about how I can help you, and there's a few ideas that have came across my mind, and I wanted to share them with you. I really encourage you to actually put in the comment section your suggestions. I'm open to all of them, but some of my students, particularly my overage and my tax deeds, mostly my overage, a lot of people want to invest eventually, and so a lot of people ask me, even I guess most of my tax deed people do too, but a lot of people ask me, they're like, do you ever do partnerships? And I'm like, nah, I don't really like to take people's money. That's like one thing, especially when it comes to investments, investing in properties. I just feel like all the liability would be on me. However, because I do this every day, and people don't have time to like actually, do all the research. And I mean, to be honest with you guys, I like literally throw away deals all the time. And I don't want to say like throw away deals, but one, I may not have the time to actually go vet them, or two, like the auction passed and I already did the numbers, but I already had all the information. So this video is for you to give me your opinion about how I can help you. Now, I was thinking about doing a membership, right? And in that membership, I was thinking about like putting, maybe like 3 or 4 deals together a month, and then providing it as a membership service for people that like don't have time to like invest, right? But then I was like, okay, well, if I was to do 4 or 5 people, like, I don't know. Like, I was like, should I do certain counties, certain areas? So my question to you is, how can I help you? I could tell you right now, I would say it's 50-50. Some students buy my program, and then, they'll call me like 6 or 7 months because, that's when they started it. And then there's some people that, they invest and they immediately get into it. But what I do find a lot is that people just don't have time, right? They're like, I got this, I got that. They got so much stuff going on. And I want to provide a service. I just don't know how, right? Because I come across deals all the time, and I can't do every deal. I just can't. And so I was trying to figure out a way where I can help other people, like by giving that deal, like, or like having a community. So if you can help me help you, how could I go about doing that? I know a lot of people call, they email, text. I really do like have my phone and on do not disturb. My assistant filters everything, because if I was to collect everybody's answering calls, then I would never get any work done. So if you could just put in the comment section how I can better serve, even without you not buying my program, or even if it's a topic you want me to talk about, please let me know. I'm really wanting to do more of a membership thing where I can actually offer deals. But I don't really know how to structure that. So please help me out by letting me know in the comment section how I can help you or how I can better serve you. Happy investing, you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.